I've been investing for a period of time here, and there are two advice I'll be giving to you watching this video if you want to get started investing or if you're already investing. This advice will make you a profitable investor, whether in the Nigerian stock market or in bonds, treasury bill, and any other investments out there. And I want you to take this advice very much seriously. If you've not subscribed to Waxfly TV, do that now by hitting that subscribe button, because in this channel we tell you about investing and how to make money for yourself. Now, one of the advice I'll be telling you is that do not go all in into high risk investment. You should always split your money into some for low risk and some for high risk investment. If you go into high risk investment, especially a particular asset, there are greater chances that that asset might depreciate in price and you might be panicking. And once you are panicking, you can panic sell because of you feel like the price will not appreciate again. And once you panic sell, you just lost some money. Let's say you got an asset for 200,000 naira and it's a high risk investment. In less than few weeks, the asset has reduced to about 120,000 naira, and you're already panicking, thinking it will keep nose diving. And if you sell, you've just lost 70,000 naira thereabout, or 80,000 naira in that asset. But if you are diversified your investment into low risk and high risk investment, you would see that there is a balance and you will not panic sell once an asset is not performing well. So one way you can beat this panic and anxiety is for you to diversify your portfolio, so you don't need to get scared of an investment. So if you are diversifying your portfolio, you should consider putting some in low risk investments and some in high risk investments. Even if you are investing in the stock market, do not just pick a stock and put all your money there. No, that's a bad financial advice or a bad investment advice. If you're investing in the stock market, do well to pick so many stock while you're investing. Let's say you want to invest 1 million naira, you can invest in 3 stock in the Nigerian stock market rather than putting it in just one stock. Yeah, you can split it for 400,000 naira for one stock, 300,000 naira for another stock, 300,000 naira for the next stock, or you can even do 2 stock, but you should be sure of those 2 stock you are choosing. At least you'll be sure of one, so that if the other one is not performing well, one will be performing well, so that you'll not panic sell. Yeah, that's one thing you need to understand. Do well to split your money into low risk investments and high risk investments. If you are still investing in high risk, do well to still split your money into various assets so that you will not panic sell. This is an advice I am giving to you. Please do not panic sell, because the stock market is very much volatile. It can go down today and it will go up tomorrow. Once you panic sell, you might end up regretting. There is an asset I got for about 200 and something thousand naira, and it's nosedive. I was losing about 44,000 naira plus, but I was not really panicking. I was just waiting for it. But currently it's appreciating and I'm just losing like 9,000 naira at the time of recording this video. Before you know it, I'm now making profit. So if I just had that asset in my portfolio, there are greater chances that I might think that this company is going bankrupt or they are not really performing well. So I might have panicked to sell my assets and I won't have gotten some profit. I would have made some loss in the stock market. So that's my advice number 1. Now the second advice I'll be giving to you is that do not look investment in a short run. If you're looking at investment in a short run, then there are greater chances that you are going to panic and you are going to lose some cash. So when you invest, maybe see investment for 6 months, for 1 year or 2 years, or even 5 years. Some persons leave an investment for as much as 10 years. Yeah, you should know this before you are getting on into investing. Let's say you want to invest in the stock market, have this at the back of your mind, the duration you want to leave your assets. Let's say you want to leave your asset for 5 months, you should have it at the back of your mind. So before 5 months, don't go and look at your asset and be thinking if you are selling now or you are not selling now, because it can go high and you want to sell because of you are making profit. Maybe after that 5 months it goes over high, but you can also sell now because it's going down, and once it's getting to that 5 months it starts shooting up. So if you are leaving it for long term, understand it that you are leaving it for long term. And my advice, I advise you, is that when you are investing, look at long term. Don't just look at short term in the world of investment, because investment does not really work in a short period of time. You can get lucky, you can see a stock that performs well in a short period of time, but if you want to get the most out of your investment, you need to be patient and you need to be consistent, and you need to still make some research as regards your market. Now, by making research, you choose the right assets, then you have to be patient till it works the way you want it to work. So this is my advice as regards investing. If you want more content like this, do also subscribe to this channel as we keep bringing you ways to go about making some cash online. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button. You can drop your comments in the comment section as regards your advice for other investors out there, and also some questions you need to get clarity on. Don't forget to like this video and share it to your friends. Till our next one, peace.